Hello crafters and welcome to my channel, Amy Makes That. Today's video is going to be a craft business audit video. So a few of you might not know what an audit is, and that's okay. A while back I posted an Instagram story, some brave souls that were looking to get their craft business reviewed by me in a YouTube video. I hand selected a few of you. I got quite a lot of entries. I'm looking to do a series on this possibly because I want to help you guys as much as I can, and an audit video like this is not only going to help the craft business owners in today's video but also the rest of you. And if you are looking for some more one-on-one coaching from me, I don't want to say too much, but in about 2 weeks I will have another platform launched where you will get the chance to have more one-on-one time with me personally. Okay, so we've got that information out of the way. We can start with the video. So I'm reviewing 5 different small businesses. I'm pausing Amy right here. It's gonna be 3. I just finished filming and no, I did not give myself enough time. I went into a lot of detail, but yeah, it's gonna be 3 craft businesses for today's video. I'm going to be breaking it down into 3 categories. The first category is by the platform that you're selling on. The second thing is brand cohesiveness. This is something that a lot of craft business owners kind of overlook. And the third, social media. So let's get into auditing. I'm gonna shift to the left. The first small business that we are reviewing is Confluence Craft Co. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm gonna do it in this order. I'm gonna do social media first, then the platform, and then the brand cohesiveness. Off the bat from social media wise, I can see that you do have some sort of branding colors, which is great. You have that coral color, that teal green color, which I really like. And also what I like is that she does have some keywords. So she says shop with me, apparel, stickers, and accessories. Mental health is health. I'm assuming that her business is promoting something about mental health. And she does have a link in bio, which is so very important. This could be directly to your website, another social media platform. I personally use Milkshake. Love it. It's free. You can also use Linktree. You can create one on your own with Canva or your own website. And also she has the view shop button, which is so cool. So if you didn't know, you can actually shop on your Instagram feed. So if you're able to integrate that into your Instagram, 10 out of 10. Okay, so I'm scrolling down a little bit. You know, she definitely has her brand colors like throughout, and also she really promotes her products. So she has several different photos of, you know, her inventory. She shows her office. She's doing Instagram reels, videos of how she makes her products, which is great. I personally like to go to a craft business owner, and if I go to their social media and they show me how their products are made, it just looks so much cooler. And I think it really draws in the customer and your target audience. And she's very active too. Like this is just from 1 day ago, 2 days ago. Like she's posting on here a lot. I'm going to go to your Milkshake to see if you have any other platforms. So you do have TikTok and you have Facebook. So I'm just gonna go on your TikTok real quick. For her personally, I think what she can do is post more on TikTok. Try and post every single day if you can. That's when I saw the most consistency with mine. You can recycle a lot of Instagram reels as TikToks and vice versa. She also has her website in her TikTok bio. She really does have a good presence on social media. Now we're gonna rate her platform. Immediately when you look at her website, she has a pop-up that says 10% off when you subscribe to texts and you get a coupon. Okay, so looking at her platform, it is very cohesive with her colors. So she does have a lot of like inspiring, positive things, which mental health is health. She has the I am enough stickers. She does have the positive affirmation sleeve tee, which is really cute. But she does have like a random like t-shirt that says dog mom, rather be in nature. Like these are a little bit not, I guess, in like the niche that I thought she would be. I would say if you are someone that sells more than t-shirts, like you sell accessories, you sell stickers, try and keep it as one niche. Make it all mental health is health, you know, like make it all very empowering things. The only reason why I say that is because you don't really know who your target audience is. So is your target audience people that want to be inspired? Is your target audience small business owners, like I saw the beanie that you had? You need to have a narrowed down target audience in order for you to get those sales consistently, by the way. And then the last thing is all about brand cohesiveness. So I kind of answered that in my last statement. She's doing a great job. And I think as long as you keep up with it, maybe narrow down your niche and try to post more on TikTok, you will see a big difference in your shop. Okay, so the next one is Kat's Creations New York. Her social media, it shows that she makes customized goods, wooden signs, and more. She's a Cricut crafter. DM me ideas and I'll create it. DM me to place orders and price. Okay. So from the bat, I can see that she does make obviously a lot of custom stuff. She makes a lot of different products, from used beer can glasses, she makes wood signs. She utilized her social media with using the reels. She's making Easter baskets. She's doing some seasonal stuff. So social media, she's definitely utilizing it, and she's posting a lot of crafts. I would suggest for her to start using reels. She got 4,000 on her first one, which is great. That's my reason why you should be posting a lot more reels, because Instagram right now is promoting videos. Try and post on your story every single day, even if it's 2 or 3 things. Instagram likes when you are constantly on their platform, just like any other platform likes when you're using it. And then also I would definitely, instead of saying DM me ideas and I'll create it, DM me for order, placing, and pricing, I would try and summarize that into one line and say DM me for custom orders. And then on the next line, I would say shop now and get free shipping. Shop now and get 10% off if you offer that. That will get people to click on your Etsy website. Okay, so now I'm going to go into a platform so I can see automatically that it is Etsy. So I'm gonna look, and she has 2 sales, okay. But she only has 5 listings, which is interesting because on her Instagram, she's posting a lot more on there. So my suggestion is, with Etsy especially, you want to try and be consistent. So post new products every single week that you can, if not every 2 weeks. Try and post more on there, because again, any platform is going to like you when you're using it a lot. So she has a welcome sign, she has a newborn baby gift. I think you can tell what I'm going to say, and it is to narrow down your niche. Now, I know you make a lot of custom things. I was there. I used to make custom items first, and I did very well with that. A lot of friends and family were buying for me, but I wasn't getting consistent orders. So if you want to get consistent orders and you want to start growing, narrow down that niche. Say if you still really are passionate about making custom things, pick 1 or 2 items within the same niche, and then you can make custom products of that. So for example, I see there's 2 welcome signs, right? So if you want to make wood signs, that is customizable. You can do family name wood sign, and then she checks off the box for seasonal products because she has a fall welcome sign. You know, right now it's not fall, so she should be posting some spring stuff now. She should be getting ready for summer too. And if you do need help narrowing down your niche, I have a free niche guide, and I will put that also in the video description. And for brand cohesiveness, all I'd say is try and pick some kind of brand colors. And she also doesn't have like any shop policies, so that's where you can really add everything about yourself. How did your shop begin? What are your other social media platforms? You can add those on there on Etsy. And also something that would be really cool is adding into your shop policies. You know, your name is Kat's Creations New York, right? So say for anyone that is in your neighborhood or local to wherever your town is, try and offer a free local pickup coupon code, so that way if people don't want to pay for shipping and they're right near you, that is also a great way to get customers. Be like, wow, I don't know someone who's right near this town in my state. Put that in your shop announcement at the top. Just say like, hey, thanks for stopping by. Please use this discount code. It just kind of further establishes your brand cohesiveness as well, knowing that you are in New York, and you will help out your fellow New Yorkers for saving on some shipping. And last but not least, we have It Mikko. I hope it's Mikko, not Mikko. I'm sorry if I butchered that, but she has a great social media presence. She's constantly on Instagram posting on her stories, posting new reels, posting new products. She primarily does earrings, but she also offers a lot of t-shirts, stickers. I can see that from the top of her social media. And immediately also, which is great too, instead of putting your shop name, It Mikko, in the bold part right here, you can actually put what you're selling. So whenever you type in clay earrings onto Instagram, she's the first one that pops up, maybe because I'm following her. And putting what kind of products that you sell on that bolded part will give you a lot more traction when it comes to Instagram. And then she says DM for wholesale and custom orders, which is great. Shop here. So I mentioned that before, but again, that is a call to action. That means that you are telling a customer, consumer, this is what I need you to do, and you are going to shop right here. And she also has a link tree, which tells me that she has a lot more other platforms. When you're able to go onto a social media account or you look at someone's website, you're able to feel like warmth, or you're able to feel something like that, that is a great sign. She's really kind of setting the tone for anyone that comes across her page as, these are my products, this is how I want you to feel. And yeah, she also has great photography as well. You don't have to go anywhere fancy to photograph your products. This is probably right in front of a bush, in front of our house. People don't realize this. Simple backgrounds, it makes your brand look very cohesive. She kind of has a lot of highlights. Instead of like putting like your local eats and stuff, I would really try and highlight, these are my earrings, these are my shirts, like more behind the scenes. Make it more so about your brand and not so much about yourself. So anything that you promote, make sure that your target audience is benefiting from that. If I'm posting, just went out with my husband tonight for dinner, some people might care about that, but not a lot of people care about that. People care about your products. Is that really helping someone buy a product from you? No. But you say, oh, I just went to, you know, the store to pick up more inventory. That gets people excited, right? That's content related to your niche, your brand. So those are things that you kind of have to like think about as a business owner. But again, we're all learning here. And this is why I'm doing videos like this. Okay, so I'm going to her link tree. I'm going to go to her website. Her products are right here. She has like a little showcase of them. And again, primarily she does earrings. She's been promoting like stickers and stuff on her Instagram as well. I'm almost curious to see like what are her stats on her products. Does she get a lot more sales on her earrings, less sales on her stickers? Because I would say if you're primarily getting your income and your sales from earrings, I would try and keep it with that niche. Like just do earrings and then just do stickers, unless those other products relate to your niche. It seems like she doesn't really have like an exact niche on the kinds of earrings she's doing. Like she's doing clay earrings obviously, but if her stickers were pertain to quotes about earrings, like something relating to that niche, she might have better sales with that. I would still try and narrow it down a little bit to earrings and then maybe one other thing pertaining to, you know, clay making. She has the cute icons too, like for JW Gifts, she should probably keep all of those highlight covers the same. I love her logo. It is so cute. It is very, again, warm. This is why it's so important to have brand coloring, because if you have cool tones versus warm tones, they give very different vibes. I also love that she does reels of making her earrings too. Again, someone who's a consumer, we love to see how the product is actually being made. That is very minimal work. You know, you don't have to take extra time out of your day as a craft business owner. One of the most simplest ways that you can make reels is by putting your tripod up there while you craft and make your products and speed it up. It's literally one of the easiest things that you can do, and then adding a song to it. All right, so that is it for today's video. Please let me know in the comment section if you would like this to be a series on my YouTube channel. Again, I hope I helped you all in some kind of way, and a big shout out to the small business owners that were very brave and willing to be featured in this video. If you want this to be a series, I definitely will be posting on my Instagram about the next time that I will do an NC craft business audit. Please do follow me on that platform if you don't already. If you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this and all the Cricut content. I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
With you, don't you wanna